Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Rob here, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about all things finance and investing. In today's video, I will be discussing one of my investment failures. Yep, you guessed it from the title. It has to deal with cryptocurrency. Back in early May, Elon Musk pretty much kicked Bitcoin to the curb, and also he pulled the rug from Dogecoin investors. I will go into detail about that and also talk about what has happened since. But before we get into the video, please do me a favor, smash the like button, share, do all the things. It'll help the community grow and it'll help me with the YouTube algorithm. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. So just to recap for everyone, back in early January timeframe, Elon Musk and Tesla decided to invest some of their capital into Bitcoin. Additionally, they decided to accept Bitcoin as payment to purchase their Tesla vehicles. All things was good and gravy in the hood. However, in early May, Elon Musk decided to stop taking payment, like Bitcoin as payment, due to the negative effects that it had on the environment, which is crazy that he's a billionaire and he didn't know that. And additionally, Elon Musk, for months on end, decided to hype up Dogecoin so that Dogecoin was going up to all-time highs because everyone wanted to jump in. But he went on to Saturday Night Live and he pretty much called Dogecoin a hustle, and Dogecoin quickly fell, even having some people lose millions of dollars in Dogecoin.
Oh, Elon, how you've become the villain.
As they say, wherever Bitcoin goes, every other cryptocurrency follows. After those events by Elon Musk, that was the spark that lit the entire forest on fire. The entire crypto space has been on a downward trend since their all-time highs in May. And I'm talking about all-time highs for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, SafeMoon, all of that. It has been estimated that $1 trillion has been wiped out ever since early May. But Elon Musk is not the only reason. Another reason too is that China decided to crack down on Bitcoin mining in their country for similar reasons that Elon and Tesla has stated its negative effects on the environment. All these downward trends is causing what some experts are saying a crypto winter. You're probably asking,
what's a crypto winter?
Well, a crypto winter is when, if you go back into 2017, when Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies were also at all-time highs, it fell in 2017, 2018, causing a downward trend in most cryptocurrency, and also there was stagnation, not that much movement. And this is where I fall in. So personally, I thought this whole crypto winter was just a fade and a fad, and I thought cryptocurrencies were going to absolutely 100% bounce back. I've been looking at Ethereum for a while now. I wanted to increase my capital into them, and I saw a chance in the month of June. So back in early May, I saw Ethereum at all-time highs around like $4,000, and there was no way I was going to pay $4,000 for Ethereum. So when I saw it was like almost half its price at $2,500, I saw my chance where I can get into Ethereum and be able to profit because I thought I was going to rebound. Lo and behold, Ethereum kept on slipping into a downward trend. So what I did not take in account for was, well, China decided to intensify their crackdown on Bitcoin mining in their country, which has caused more crypto to slide and fall. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Billionaires Jack Dorsey, creator and founder of Twitter, and billionaires Elon Musk, who's the CEO of Tesla and one of the richest people in the world, are having a conference this month July 2021 to talk about Bitcoin and its usage in the business space. A lot of people on Reddit and different other forums are hoping that this will be the spark that lights Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for the rest of the year, hopefully seeing rebounds and new all-time highs. With that being said, here are my thoughts on what to do with this whole entire cryptocurrency, crypto winter, all that good jazz, is that you buy and you hold. Yeah, that's simple. Because the truth is, me, you, none of us really, we do not know what cryptocurrencies prices are going to be at the end of the year, let alone in 10 years. I truly believe in Ethereum, Bitcoin, that they're going to last for a very long time. I'm all for it. That being said, that one coin that I bought, I am probably going to purchase another coin once the opportunity presents itself. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. Please consider liking, subscribing, doing all the things. I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to talk to me, I have the link down below in the description where all my social media is at. Just go ahead and slide in the DM. We can talk about, whatever. I love finance, obviously, so just hit me up about finances and I can talk for days. With that being said, I am going to end this video. Thank you for watching. Peace.